Check this out. I'm on the same website, stripe.com, but I'm on a different section at once. So I can go in CSS overrides and I can go and enable things to see how my code will reflect across all of these sections of the website. So I can say I want the color to be purple and I want the font size to be 25 and boom. Then I see how does it reflect everywhere. I can say the images should be display none or then revert that decision. The image is back here or just enable or disable this style. And I see all of these sections of the website at once, which is pretty freaking cool. Of course, this works when you're in your local code base, you change CSS, you change JavaScript, HTML, whatever you change, it's going to reflect on all of these websites. So let me show you how you can quickly do that. You can go to, for example, stripe.com. This is a little bit heavy on the animation side. So just be careful when you're when you're working with animations, go in performance, disable the animation so you don't get a performance penalty for opening them and in many devices at once. So instead of doing this, the classic, Sizzy thing with different breakpoints, you can do this and just take the XL, for example, maybe make it a little bit bigger and then duplicate it many times. So let's say I'm going to duplicate it 3 times just for the sake of example. And what you can do, you can turn off all the synchronizations here. And now each website is basically independent. So I can scroll this one here, I can scroll this one here, and I can scroll this one to another section like this one here. I can go in device config, just remove the headers. I can reduce the space between the devices or zoom them in, zoom them out, like do whatever I want to do with these sections. You can also make another duplicate, let's say, and like scroll to the footer, let's say. And now you can go here in presets, you can save this as like 4 pages. And now when you go to any website, let's say you go kitset.io, like you can easily, let's say I'm in full view. I'm going to go in full view, kitset.io. I can easily go here, convert to 4 pages. Boom, like this will open the 4 pages. Now I can scroll, I can disable the sync here and toggle all the synchronizations. I can scroll to a different section. A lot of them are broken, so I need to fix them. I can scroll to a different section, or of course you can navigate to a different website. Like this one can be on posts, this one can be on a particular post, this one can be on whatever, talks. And now when I make a change in CSS, I can just see how does it work across all of these. Instead of scrolling sections or going from a site to a site to a site, I can see the bird's eye view. Let me know what you think.